welcome to a haunted house. I'm Star, and in today's video I am going to show you our entryway transformation. This is actually our second entryway video. In the first video I show you how we do these board and batten walls in our entryway. So if you have not watched that video, go ahead and watch that. I'll leave a link to that up in one of these corners above my head. But I also have a few clips of that process in this video as well. So if you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel below. Give this video a like and also tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more home decor, DIY, and home inspiration videos. And without further ado, let's jump into our video. Here is a before of our entryway. The builders had already done wainscoting on the bottom half of our entryway walls, and they also had everything painted gray as well as farmhouse style light fixtures. We decided to turn the existing wainscoting into full board and batten walls. Because of the height of the wainscoting, it just felt very difficult to decorate around, especially because farmhouse isn't really our style. We thought that we can get a more modern look if we did board and batten walls all the way around. Again, for the full video, I'll leave a link to that in the description box below, as well as a card in the corner of this video as well. And here is how the wall looked before painting. And here is how the entryway looked once the board and batten walls were painted white. Now on to the light fixtures. So we are replacing the light fixtures in the entryway, both of these. So this one just came down from here. And this one's gonna be replaced next. They are the same light fixture, so it's this light fixture here. And both of those will be up here. So one flaw of our entryway is that it does not have a coat closet. We actually don't have a coat closet anywhere in the house, and we knew that because we love to host that we needed to have somewhere for our guests to place their coats when they visit in the cooler months. So I found this very modern looking coat rack online, and I'll leave a link to this coat rack in the description box below. I really love the way that it looks. It definitely adds a additional piece of art to the entryway because of the design style. Next, I purchased a very large brass mirror for the entryway. I initially wanted a full-length, very tall mirror, but that was very expensive, and so I thought that I could go with a very large round mirror that ended up being more affordable. I really love the way mirrors work in the entryway because entryways are typically smaller, and a large mirror really opens up the space and helps to reflect light in the space as well. My entryway table was actually purchased secondhand, but it is from Ethan Allen, and it is a cane and wood table. For the entryway table decor, I wanted to keep it simple and functional, so I purchased this lamp secondhand, and I also purchased this very pretty black bowl dish from Home Goods, and that's just a place that we can place keys or any knickknacks that we need close to the door. And I wanted to complete the look by bringing some live stems into the decor as well. Okay, so this is how our entryway turned out. I really loved how we were able to transform a farmhouse style space into a more modern transitional space that is just more our style. Let me know what you think about this entryway in the comment section below. Go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe if you have not done so already for more home decor, home inspiration, and DIY videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, love, Star.